Where is it? Can you show me?
The tail is right there. It's hanging out.
Where's the tail? The tail is hanging up by the red thing.
You don't see it? That skinny little gray thing?
Where's... Oh, the mouse is right there. Oh, my goodness. Look at the mouse tail inside the vacuum cleaner. That is crazy. Yeah, it's right here. Look at it. How do we get him out? Honey, he's alive. Oh my God, this mouse is alive. He hid from the cat inside of the vacuum cleaner, but how do we get him out? Up. And there he is. Watch out, Tiger. Oh, damn it, Tiger. Watch out, Tiger. I gotta get him. You're in the way. Oh, he just went inside. There he is. Okay. Honey, give me a pair of, like, clips.
What is that?
You know, like tweezers or something so I can grab the tail. The tail is right there. See the tail right there. Gotta get it out with tweezers. I'll get the mouse out, but you gotta get out of the way. And then I'll let you do what comes natural to you. Alright, you gotta hold on. Mommy's getting some tweezers for you. Now I know why you're all dirty. You were trying to get this mouse all night. What a crazy spot for a mouse to be, Tigger. First of all, let's introduce the player. My dirty cat, Tigger. He was up all night chasing mice in the art studio. He is, on average now, I think about 2 mice a day. And he's doing real well. And he just found this one right here. And now they're coming in because of the cold weather outside. So this is just another one that we have to get rid of. Thank you. Alright, watch out, Tigger. Okay, watch out, bud.
Ew, oh my God, I see it.
Yeah, here we go. Come here, here it comes. There you go. And there goes the cat. There goes the cat with the mouse. He's teaching the little one how to mouse now, which is very important for the little guy. Of course, Tigger doesn't like to share his prize. Look how dirty he is. He looks like Santa Claus's helper. Oh my God. This cat is unreal. That's it. Let him smell it. Good boy, Tigger. Hey, Mo, do me a favor. Go get a glass jar and I'm going to trap the mouse. And then, you know, just put him outside. But Tigger has served his master well, and in the process is teaching the youngins right there. Go ahead, checkers. Go check them out. Come on. Tigger doesn't like all of the attention. He likes to do his mouse killing in private, apparently. Oh no, I don't want you to go into this. I want you to go into there. Hey Mo, let's move back the couch. We gotta move back the couch. He went under the couch. Come on.
You need to, that shit is on the floor now. He don't even have it in his mouth.
Okay, there he is. Let me have a look.
He don't want you to take it. That's why he keep running like that.
Well, that's not what's going on.
Is the mouse dead yet?
No, not even close. He let that mouse go anywhere. He wants to give it a sporting chance. Isn't he unreal? Go ahead, mouse. Let's see what you can do. That cat,
it's so tiny.
that cat is like lightning. Tigger, pay attention. You get 2 steps on you.
You need to see.
Good boy, Tigger. That's some craziness. He used it as a mini soccer ball.
This is like traumatized.
Oh, he's terrified. I'm gonna step in before he kills him though. He grabs him on the nape of the neck so that he doesn't puncture into his body. Wow, that cat is dirty.
Yeah, he need a bath.
And on the menu, oh, it's okay, Tigger. I'm just like taking a picture of what you got on the menu there. That poor thing. Yeah, it's terrifying. It's running right into him. Don't let him get away. He can get into a crack. He's in a crack right now. He's got a play friend.
Hope that play friend ain't put any fleas on him.
Yeah, that's very true. That's a problem with mice, I swear. Right here.
Oh, it's crying.
Alright, let me have the thing. Where is it? Okay. I'm going to save this thing now. Because he'll kill it any time.
Is that his leg?
Yeah, that's sticking out.
It's broken?
No, it's not broken. He's just trying to push himself into the crack. Tigger's about to go upside down. You know what? Maybe just a few more Tigger's antics. He's about to flip over. You can see Tigger's little positioning. Oof, he's got the claws out.
Oh my God, Tiggs.
Yeah, the claws will kill the mouse. There we go.
Ow! He's hurting it. Just take it and put it outside.
Alright. I gotta get that damn cup on it. Come on, stop. Put it here. You're not going out there. There you go. We got you.
Yeah. You got your tail.
Does it? Let go of the tail. Alright, what do we got here? We got a captured mouse. So we're going to release him outside. Show a little humanitarian effort. Till the next mouse.